Hi guys, this is Sherry at Garden Angel Design and Sherry's Garden Solutions. And today I'm going to show you my yacon plant. It's really amazing. So I'm backing up a little. So that's my yacon plant. Yeah. The leaf is like kind of velvety looking and gorgeous. So this is one of the plants in my permaculture series, my food forest garden. And it is producing underground food. So it produces two sizes of tubers. Here's one. Pretty good size one right there, and then right nearby there's some small ones. So what happens is after the first late frost in California here in Zone 9B, I can dig this up and harvest the tubers. So I harvest the larger tubers, and those are ready to consume. Yeah, and so they're high in inulin, which is really good for your stomach, your biome, and they are also really good for blood sugar management, high cholesterol, heart and liver health, all kinds of things. It's a health-building plant, and I can't say enough about it. I mean, it's a beautiful plant, and it's probably about, well, that one stalk there is definitely like almost 4 feet tall, and I mean, it adds to the garden in other ways besides just food. It's really pretty. So once I harvest the big tubers, pretty much I'm taking the whole plant out, and then down lower will be a bunch of small tubers. So then those get replanted, whether they go in pots or in a raised bed or whatever, they get replanted and the whole cycle starts again. And so it's winter food because I'm harvesting it after the first frost, fall frost, and then I'm replanting. So it's gonna, start to produce, in early spring it'll start producing the stems and everything. And the stems are edible also. So now the taste is, it tastes like, I don't know if you know, but jicama is, it's very similar in taste to jicama, which is a big tuber that's sweet. I think it's from South America or something, but the taste is really, really great, and kind of suppresses your appetite too, which is really great if you're trying to lose weight. So it's definitely high up there on my food forest plant list. Yeah. So happy to show you my yacon, and it grows in zones 5 to 10. So a lot of people ought to be able to grow this one. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Sherry's Garden Solutions. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.